Every modern project demands agility and responsiveness. A Scrum certification proves your mastery of the Scrum framework. It empowers you to lead teams with clarity and purpose. What is Scrum certification? Scrum certification validates your knowledge of Scrum roles, events, and artifacts. It recognizes that you understand how to deliver projects in iterative, incremental cycles. It demonstrates you can support team collaboration, transparency, and adaptation. Benefits of obtaining Scrum certification. The credential enhances your professional credibility within Agile organizations. It increases your career opportunities in industries shifting to Agile methodologies. You'll also gain skills to help your teams deliver value more frequently and reliably. Choosing the right certification. Look for certifications from recognized bodies. Ensure the required level reflects your experience, whether foundational or advanced. Check whether recertification is needed or if the credential is valid for life. Implementing your certification in practice. Apply Scrum values such as transparency, inspection, and adaptation in your daily work. Lead sprint planning, reviews, and retrospectives to help your team continuously improve. Support the product owner and the team to refine backlog items in alignment with business goals. Conclusion. A Scrum certification is a strategic step for Agile practitioners and project professionals alike. It equips you to guide teams, adapt to change, and deliver better outcomes. Take the leap and elevate your Agile project management capabilities.